Well, just got all of our gear loaded up. Oh, sorry.
Hey, Serena.
Hey, check this out. The rain started turning to snow just as I was leaving my house, and by the time I got here, it's just starting to stick. So, should make for a pretty cool adventure today. Because where we're going is where they're saying the conditions are going to be worse. 2 to 4 inches. So cool, I'm ready for the adventure. Daniel's cool little workstation here where he's working on his finds. Sweet. Well, it's supposed to warm up and all this is supposed to melt today and turn back to rain, so be cool when we go over the big mountain passes. Let's go.
Yep.
Look at
The ground's soft, pretty cool. Made it to our spot we were at. Look at these old blue bottles that were broken. Jeez, what a waste. Even though it's wintry, look how soft the ground is. Look at my probe here. Bam, all the way down. Hopefully I'll make for some easy digging.
Find her in a little hole.
Fucking Christ. It's hot. You're on it. You see the sweat on it?
Not like that before. That was no fun. Alright, how do we do this? 1, 2, 3, cheese?
Cheese! It's video. Well, I'm gonna head up to the same spot where I was finding all those bottles before. I was in like a big debris field of broken bottles. So I'm gonna spend just a short while checking that out and see if I can find anything else. Yeah!
I just wanted to take that on video.
Oh, okay. Excited diggers. Oh, I see my spot right here. And I found an Indian head penny and maybe a gold picture frame here. You see all those bottles I dug out last week? Covered in snow. All right, so let's get busy. See what we can find. Well, I've been digging in this pit. Look at all these pieces of broken bottles. It's just constant. Look at that. Ooh. Anyways, I was probing around over here. And first big bottle of the day that isn't in pieces. Let's pull this out and see if it's whole. Come on, be whole. Oh, it's broken. Dang it. Alright, well I'm saving all these because I'm going to make me some drinking glasses out of Gold Rush beer bottles. I think that'd be cool. Alright, let's keep looking. Well, I found that many broken bottles so far. Everywhere I dig, there's bottles. Where was that at? Oh. I wanted to show you this over here. Check this out. Look at that. That Italian champagne bottle had a root grow right through it. Stuck on that root. Crazy. Oh, I just found another bottle here. Don't know if it's whole. Ah, so many of them are broke. All right, let's keep looking. There's another one. Just the tip broke off. Oh, it's so frustrating. Well, I'm not sure what this next target is. It's big and it's metal. Look at that. This one's a whole one or not. Oh, look at that. Just the tip is broke. Beautiful aquamarine blue. Sucks. Well, I just took a little break and my first target was this giant steel plate. So I went down over the hill here. Got a can signal, started digging that. And I think I might have ran into a little pack of bottles. Oh, over here. Lost my way. So yeah, look at this. I see 2 bottles here. All right, let's try to pull these out. Oh, another freaking broken one, but the top was whole. Damn it. What about this one? Oh, it's broke too. It's got big rope handles on it. Look at that. All right, so I found this new area. A lot of metal laying around. And I come up here and found this hole. And of course, I was digging at big sheets of metal. But look at this. I just dug out this whole boot. Look at that. Crazy. And a whole boot. Well, today I'm using my Fisher F75. Just had another target here. Trying to get it up out of the ground. Ooh, look at that. Got some writing on it. Sweet. It's like part 2 of wood stove, maybe. All right, let's keep looking. Look over there's an old steam boiler. Well, my next target was pinging pretty high in the 70s. Look at this. I see a Chevy symbol. Look at that. Isn't that weird? It's got a hole in it. Okay, well, let's keep looking. All right, next target. Looks like a little flue for a chimney or a smokestack. Cool. All right, let's keep looking. Well, my next target, I think this is a file. Oh yeah, look at that. Big old file. Thing is huge. All right, let's keep looking. I just found this old wheelbarrow. There's another old boiler. Just found this big, huge piece of metal. Well, so Daniel just dug a small plug here.
That's a plug.
Yeah, it's definitely a plug. You gonna roll that towards me? I better move.
From that hole over there.
Look what came out of it.
A bottle. Broken.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
Guess what, Keith?
Look at this. Did that come out of there?
Oh, that came out of the hole earlier. Look at this one.
Oh, is that a blue one?
No, it's a vacuum.
Oh, okay.
You haven't found any blue
And I
ones
found a
today.
brick.
That's weird.
Look at this
Yeah.
one. It's square.
Oh, yeah.
It's sad, but...
And I found so many bottles today, but they were all broken one way or another.
Oh, relax, look around, keep find shit, came back, start looking again.
What about a bunch of broken shit for us? Yeah. It's right here.
Oh, okay. I can't see it.
Yeah.
Dark in there.
I'll just dig it till it falls out.
Oh, there you go.
That was kind of cool, wasn't
Half
it?
full of water.
Oh, just the top is broke.
Oh, that's the story of my day.
You see that right there?
Uh-huh.
That shit gets in there, busts them out.
Right, yeah.
Damn it.
I found about 100 of them like that today.
And archaeologists don't want anybody digging for shit because we need to preserve it for our future generations, and look what happens.
Right, yeah.
It just rots away, breaks. then
Gets
what?
ruined.
That's cool though. That's a lot of freaking swamp juice though, huh?
Yeah, that would have broke this winter more than likely.
Smells like alcohol.
Does it?
No.
Daniel,
Yes, sir. Nice, a catch up.
first whole bottle of today.
Nice.
That's a big one too.
Are you on the bottom?
Yeah.
And what do you do when you put a bottle?
Woohoo!
That didn't sound like an
He brought his and we started to film, and he didn't have SD card.
Look how it's double stamped.
Oh, yeah.
Here comes.
Looks green.
And there's there for our steps.
That bitch ain't gonna come out. It's ready to come out, yeah. Ready?
I'm trying
Uh-huh.
to not allow any of this mud inside. Oh man, look at this guy.
Nice one, look at
and
that.
it's whole.
Very cool.
Sweet.
Oh, sniff it, see what's in
I
it.
love the color of those.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
Here, now you can look at the stamping like really good.
AB. Nice.
What happens is a lot of times that happens because they blow it in the mold
Uh-huh.
and then they stop, turn it a little bit so it doesn't stick, and then continue finishing.
You're doing a
going
good
in the
job.
mold.
Making a really big hole.
Okay, so my next target. Ah. Daniel. Broken.
Nice, that's good though.
Ah, but that's still cool.
Oh, I was hoping it was going to be whole.
Here.
Oh, see that.
Digging it out.
Ooh, that's nice.
It has little numbers on it. It says, I think it says 3.5.
Cool.
Show me your pipe.
Oh,
Okay.
Cool.
dang it, Daniel got all this crap in it. I found this
Oh, that's a
one
nice bottle.
and that one.
Oh, wow, you've been finding all kinds of nice bottles.
That's the only ones I found.
You about to pull it out?
Not yet.
You gotta hurry up. You hear her voice?
I love it.
Oh, that's nice.
Look at it! That's awesome.
Is there another one?
Oh my gosh, there's actual juice in there.
Yeah, oh no, it's broke.
Oh, it's broke.
Ah, cramping.
Oh, that sucks.
It's that same one like we were finding before, the
Yeah.
textured one.
Oh yeah, that's nice. Screw on cap, huh?
Yeah. It's smooth on one side, paper label would have been on there.
Uh-huh.
Oh, right there.
Textured. This one here?
Yeah.
Oh,
Look how cool
wow.
that is.
Wow.
Oh my god, that's awesome.
Oh, that's awesome.
That
I
is...
like that one.
Sorry, I didn't mean to jump in your hole and grab your phone.
It's so cool.
That is cool.
Tiny.
Look. It's so tiny.
That's sweet.
What do you think was in that?
Medicine, maybe.
Opium.
Yeah, that's cool.
These little ones always sound like broken
So,
I'm going back in my hole.
I just found this one here a few minutes ago. Pretty sweet. Fell right out of the hole. Let's see what you found, Lisa. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Nice.
Yes, that's
it?
cool.
That is nice.
That's cool.
Cool. Maybe you're getting into something there.
The smalls are starting to pop out now.
Sweet.
Honey, you want to see my tiny
and-
perfume?
I just found another ketchup bottle. Nice.
Oh, that's a big cream bottle.
I dug hard for that.
Good job. I just found this. Not sure what that is. Let's keep digging. She just found this nice Listerine bottle, all embossed.
Is it embossed?
Yeah.
I haven't looked at it yet.
Sweet.
I'll look at to see what else is in the hole.
All right, Serena just found a pocket watch. Oh, that is awesome. Congratulations.
Hopefully that's a gold-plated
I'll
one.
break out the phone for that one.
Man,
Oh,
I
so
want a pocket
cool.
watch so bad.
That's what I've been saying for days. Look at it, even has a little thing on it.
Yeah, that is nice.
Oh my god. You take a picture, let me comb my hair. 'Cause my hair is wild.
Just found me a little cup. A cup. Just a little tin cup with a handle.
Let me get in.
It's embossed and broken.
And there's one right here. Serena's on that side of the hole. And Keith's about to go in and do a bottle extraction.
Come on, be whole. Ah, ha, ha, ha. It's whole. Look at that.
It's gold?
It's whole.
Hold.
Whole.
Hole.
I know I got gold in mine.
I'm being burped.
That's cool.
Oh, that is cool.
It's a little
Did you
screw
say
on.
you thought you saw another one?
I thought I did, yeah.
Go for it. You gotta get dirtier than that.
Now, Serena just found a pocket
Oh
knife.
God almighty. That dirt's so soft.
Wow, that's nice.
Holy
Pocket knife.
crap.
Either that or it's a razor blade.
No,
because
it's a pocket knife.
Yeah.
With a wooden handle.
Well, so I just dug this little medicine bottle. What'd you say this was? Piso or a piso? Yeah, P-I-S-U. Oh, S-O, okay.
Warren, Pennsylvania.
Warren, Pennsylvania. Sweet. Starting to get a few bottles here. And I also found this white lid. Little white jar.
Keith, look. Oh, with the cork in it.
Just found this bottle.
And then that one was broken.
Is that a Hutch bottle?
No, she's got a Listerine with
Oh, okay.
the cork in it.
Nice.
An older one.
And it's whole?
Yeah.
All right. Sweet. I found another one of these peso bottles.
This one, wait a minute.
Oh. Broken bottle. So I just found this bottle embossed and it says ambrosia on it. Look how many bottles. I just found my first inkwell. Oh my God, I'm so excited about that. Look at this. I found this little tin. This says it's medicine for kids and all these cool bottles. I found a plastic comb. Look at this cool bottle I found. Sweet. Found a little embossed Listerine bottle. All right, just found another bottle. My first blue one. First ever. Sweet. All right, let's keep looking.
Honey, is it a coin?
All right, Serena just found a coin. Let me see, Serena. Oh, Daniel's got it.
Go on, baby.
Is it a dime?
It might be. I'm trying not to scratch it. It could be a token. That's what I'm thinking it is. Nope. It's a mercury dime.
I found a coin.
Wow.
There's the back of it. Here, let me get the...
All right, Serena, good.
I found that bottle.
Congrats. Use your pinpointer. You might find all kinds
you
of them.
find silver coins.
Yeah.
People, you see them scratch them all the time.
Mhm.
You spit in your hand or take water and go like this.
Yeah.
And then they make water. And just tap it like this. Look.
Oh, I see people doing all kinds of stuff.
See how it pulls, look how it pulls that dirt right off.
Uh-huh.
Look.
That is awesome.
This is getting cleaner.
It's getting shiny.
Just tap it. That's all you got to do. You know, I'll rub it now. But there's the back of it.
Oh,
Wow.
that's so cool.
That is really cool.
You know what I thought it was? I thought it was the inside of a lid.
Yeah.
What are you
I'm going to wipe it.
All right, so we're going to call it a day. We're packing up and getting ready to go. I've got a lot of bottles. So my last bottle was this one right here. Nice. Found a lot of them today. Look at this. Awesome. All right, let's load all these up. Get out of here. Well, the sun's going down and the moon's coming up. Sweet. Well, hey guys, welcome to the roundup. We had a fantastic hunt yesterday during our first winter storm here in Fairbanks, Alaska. Didn't really snow a whole lot, so we had a great day. Check this out. I found this. This is from Newark, New Jersey. Something to do with maybe a stove or some kind of piece of machinery. Found this big gold rush file. Check that thing out. It is heavy as can be. Found a couple of little oddities. Look at this little light bulb, like a flashlight maybe or something. And I found this Rexall Orderly, a pleasant and effective something, ideal for children, age so-and-so, and invalids as well as for robust persons. United Drug Company, Boston. It's kind of cool. Then I found this. I think somebody else dug this up and I just seen it. You can see where it got melted in a fire, so that was just kind of cool. These are a couple bottle caps off of a couple bottles that we found, and I tried to save them, but they're just falling apart. I found this comb here. It's pretty cool. It says Select, S-E-A-L-E-C-T, from Germany. Found a couple pieces of, I don't know, like brass or something here. I think it was because it was part of this light. Found a little buckle type thing. This here's part of a baking powder sifter. It says sifting to turn cover. But anyways, then I found this Chevy symbol, which was kind of weird. Not sure. I think somebody probably just used it as decorative because it looks like they nailed it up to something. Anyways, that's something I've been seeing lately, is a lot of miners will nail old cans to the side of trees to kind of mark their boundaries. So maybe somebody did something like that. I found this here. It was a embossed cobalt blue and it says something drug on it. I just thought that was cool. I was hoping I could find the other pieces to see what drugstore or whatever it came from. During this hunt, Daniel's wife Serena found some type of like medicine vial that actually had the name of a pharmacy, and then it said in Fairbanks, Alaska on it. So that was really cool. Finding anything with Fairbanks, Alaska wrote on it is pretty rare. I found these old nails. These are my favorites. I dig these things up by the thousands. Here's an old damper for a like a wood stove in the stovepipe. And I found a lot of bottles. Now I saved this bottle just because I wanted to show you. Look at the roots inside this thing. And of course the roots came through and then pow, busted out the whole backside. But I just saved that just to show you what the roots look like in these things. Look at that, you can just see the roots. Anyways, I did find a lot of cool bottles. I found my very first inkwell. I've never found one of these before. So that's pretty cool. Let me see, what does it say on the bottom? Schaefer script. It's pretty nice. Then I found my first ever blue cobalt bottle. Sweet. I love it when you hold these up to the light. Then I found some other interesting bottles. I found this little white lid. That's kind of nice. And then I found these two smaller white bottles. And then I found this bigger white one. And then I found this cool bottle. It says ambrosia and then has a picture of a rose. And it's in like a flask type of bottle. It's kind of cool. Then I found a lot of medicine bottles. Found this bottle here. It's got like measurements down the side. This was a sweet bottle here. It is an embossed Listerine Lambert Pharmacy Company Listerine. And this was really nice. I think Daniel found one of these too. Nice and slender. Oh, and then I found this one here. And then I found two of these Piso from Warren, PA. Got two of those in really good shape. And then I found this one here. This was the very last bottle of the day. Nice little corker. It's in a cool little flask type shape. They all came pretty clean. And anyway, still waiting on a picture from everybody else on their bottles. I think Daniel found a few more than me. And then his wife found a whole bunch of bottles. Plus she found a pocket watch, a 1917 dime. She found a pocket knife. So it was a really great day. Alright guys, till next time, everybody have good luck and happy hunting!